I'm here to tell you about the key features of the TSOL-M350/400 microinverter developed by TSUN. This product is a plug-and-play device used in photovoltaic arrays to convert direct electric current generated by solar modules to alternating current suitable for the grid. Use of this product maximises efficiency since it offers individual optimisation, providing a separate, dedicated maximum power point tracker for each solar panel. MPPT algorithm allows the microinverter to track real-time solar intensity and cell temperature as it varies throughout the day, optimising efficiency. With conventional inverters, problems with a separate module such as shading, dirt, snow, or even complete module failure might disproportionately reduce performance of the whole array. But it's not the case with microinverters. A separate inverter with each module will prevent such a situation. With peak inverter efficiency up to 96.7% and nominal MPPT efficiency up to 99.9%, you can rest assured your array will operate at optimum parameters. Wide operating temperatures range from -40 to +65 degrees Celsius, making the product suitable for various different environments. 2,000 meters maximum operating altitude offers the possibility of use in low and middle altitude mountain areas and hilly terrain. IP67 protection level means the product is totally protected from dust and such, and is water resistant. Simple and intuitive plug-and-play design makes the product very easy to install and operate. Maximum DC voltage is limited to 60 volts, which means there is no risk of DC voltage overload, which can damage the inverter. Integrated loss of mains protection function will ensure the safety of the power grid. In production for these, we use the latest manufacturing techniques, which include die casting design and glue filling technology, which guarantee stable quality and uniformity of all parts, as well as providing better thermal dissipation. Confident in our product's quality, we offer 12 years warranty for these series. Certifications with these include VDE 0126, VDE 4105, EN 50549, RD 1699, G98 and Brazilian in Metro. TSUN, with its German background of production and quality assurance management system, is an innovative high-tech company focused on the development and sales of photovoltaic products, including energy storage solutions. Good knowledge of the global market, capable R&D production team and experienced management make us more than confident in our ability to provide global customers with the most user-friendly and cost-effective solutions.